Hi there. I apologize for all the stuff floating around here left and right, but I want to do one quick video. I do have viewer that asked a question about the GoPro Hero 10. So let me turn the camera on quick and we are going to check out my software version number here. This would be about. Let's see if we can see this here. Camera info, software version 1.30. There is a card in here. Our settings are 5.3K 60 super view. I'm recording. You can see here I'm recording. Right now I have 84% battery. I'm recording to the SD card. I'm stopping the record and turning the camera off. Removing the door. Taking out the battery. There. Empty, just the SD card in there. And then we use this MediaMod. Goes in this way. Right? Push that close here. Oops. Oh, that has here on one of those, it has battery. Here, there. So we are going to use GoPro USB-C cable. I'm not 100% sure. I think this cable came with the camera, I think. So now here I have a power supply. There, this is an external power bank with a light in it. There, it has USB-C. Plug that in, right? I don't know if I have to have, if I do have to have the light on here or not. I don't know. I'll just leave it on. So I see I have power on this thing, right? I turn this thing on. Camera. Then it says battery required. Powering off. I'll try this again. A battery is required. That's just how this is. Put this again on. Battery required. So then I can do the other thing, the quick capture here. See what that does. Same message, battery required. So you do have to have a battery in here in order to do this. If that answers your question. So if we put a battery in here, then it starts charging. Well, it does not start charging. Interesting. Turn this thing back on. Now it has a battery in it. It shows as charging. Now if I record, it stopped charging, but it's recording. So I don't see an issue here because, you know, just because there has the battery in there. This is 84% now. And when I connect this, while I'm recording, it goes down to 83%. If I take it out, Still 83. That's a lot. Now, put here, plug that in. What are we doing here? No difference, right? So I don't know what to tell you, but that's how it works with the MediaMod right now here. Hope this video helped you out.